to my channel, the TKD Boy, and it has been a while that I have not posted my videos. Now tragedy time. तुझे भुला दिया तुझे भुला दिया तुझे भुला दिया फिर क्यों तेरी यादों ने मुझे रुला दिया. So without wasting any time, let's get to our video. First, okay, now I've changed, so let's get started. So guys, the next kick is hook kick. Okay, I love the fans, my voice will come clearly. Okay, so I have switched on the fan. So the next kick we will do is hook kick. So first you have to pick your leg up. Yeah. Okay. When you pick your leg up, the next step we will do is not hit. Okay. First step is this. Then turn your leg and hit it back. Okay. So this kick is known as hook kick. You have to hit this kick with the heel in face contact. You know what is the heel? This part. Okay. First you have to pick your kick, turn your leg and then hit. Okay. This I couldn't show you this kick in slow motion because it needs a lot of balance. So I'm wasting my time. So first you have to do. So I will show you three same kicks. This is outside. Yes, you pick your leg up, hit and then go it round. This is inside, which is reverse, and this is hook. 1, 2. Okay. First is here. 1, 2. Okay. As first you have to pick your leg up here. Okay. First pick your leg, turn your this leg. Okay. Turn your leg and then hit. 1, 2. Just have to turn this your leg. Your leg is like this in at when it is in the air. You have to just turn it like this, then hit it. So this is the target. I'll show you. See from this side. First you have to pick your leg up here. Okay. From here I will show it to you. Pick here and hit here. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, and this kick. First you don't have to fold your leg. First you have to keep your leg straight and pick it up, and in the next step you have to fold your leg, which is the hit. Okay. And then when you hit it, see this is your leg. You pick it up here. This is your leg. You pick it up here, hit it, and then again on place. Okay, I'll show it to you. This is 1. You have to pick your leg. First is your important way. You have to pick your leg up here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is the first step. Okay. This is the second step. Okay. This is the second step. The hit. Okay. And this is the third step, which is on back on place. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So guys, by mistakenly my sister had entered the room. I had to pause the video immediately. Okay, that's a lot of comedy. So you have to practice your balance. This kick needs a lot of balance. First you have to take your leg up here. I will show it in lower. Then turn your leg like this. Okay. First this is your leg position, right? Okay, take it here and turn full leg. Okay. First you turn it half. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. When you turn it, get 2 and hit. Okay. You have to hit over here, not on your. I should not say that word, but okay, here it is the perfect. Okay, I'll show it in this angle. So just when you pick up your leg, you have to immediately turn your leg and hit it. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Same with the other leg. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. We have to practice this at home. Okay, if you keep practicing this kick, you will do it better. Okay, so let's go towards our next kick. So guys, the next kick is jumping slap kick. This is a very easy kick, okay, if you have practiced the slap kick very neatly, okay. So let's start with the kick. First you have to jump, okay. First, which leg you have to hit, you have to kick behind, that is the basic rule. And which leg, okay, which leg you have to hit, keep it in front, okay. And then the backward leg you have to jump, okay. First take this leg over here, okay, take this leg over here, and then okay, this leg is for jumping, okay. Okay, that's the kick. First in we pick up this leg and jump, okay, hit, okay. You know slap kick, you have practiced 1 2 3, you know this kick, right? Just you have to do is what in jumping, okay. Jump and hit, okay. When you jump you have to hit immediately, but most important, you might fall in this kick, so you have to balance your another leg on which you have jump, okay. Or the, you know, so see, this is the leg, okay, this is the leg, and then you jump and then hit this kick. On this leg you have to land it very carefully, okay. Yeah, I know you might fall, but you have to learn how to fall for hitting jumping kicks, okay. If you fall, then you will understand that we are at this point we can fall, so you will not go on that point, okay. And then you will keep learning, okay. So I will show it to you again. So first you have to do is, I will show it to you with another leg, this one leg. So one, just pick your leg up, okay. First step, pick your leg up, then jump and hit, okay. Jump and hit. These two are quick steps, okay. First I will show it in serial. Jump, kick and hit, okay. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, okay. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. That's how you have to do. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. That's all you have to practice, guys. Which is important in this kick is you have to jump. You have to practice your jump on one leg. You have to balance it very carefully, okay. And as soon as your kick, means as fast as your kick is, you need no more balance, okay. I will show to you. So see this, I have balance in this leg, okay. First, the faster I hit and take it back, the faster my balance is decreased, okay. Okay, you see this leg needs more balance, okay. If your leg is slower, see in this point, see this, then you will be out of balance, okay. If you hit your is too much low, you will be out of balance. You have to hit in perfect speed, okay, fast as you can. Yeah, but while doing speed, you do not have to forget your target and the perfection of the kick, okay. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then hit that like button and make that blue, and that red color subscribe button, make it whatever color you can, and click that bell icon for, and set it on all notification, so that you might get my all videos every day. So now I will practice doing my videos every day for you. And yes, don't forget to leave a comment. Bye bye guys.